Alright, progress. So, Maggie has been priming the shiplap, which is finally in. Yep, we got halfway done with the backboard, and I have to go do school, so we have to stop there. But yeah, the walls of the shiplap are done, all around the frames, which is
getting primed.
They're getting primed. Excuse the bed, which is in the middle there. We'll skip over this. Edit. We also did a second coat in the bathroom. So all the painting in there is done. We just need to put in the tile. Alright, and then I'm going to go zooming outside. And I'm going to bring out my tripod so I don't forget it for school.
Outside.
All of the furniture is done being painted black. First coat of chalkboard paint for the kids' room is done. The ladder for bunk beds is done. And imagine noticed that our pop-out cutting board needed to be spray painted black. Our headboards are stained. I just need to do the cutouts, and they are done. And this cabinet is done being painted too. So, lots of things have happened. We're almost there, guys.